Hello, welcome back guys to another video. This is your friend Endeavor from Endeavor Gaming. Today we are back with our tournament day 3 and the most decisive day because many things will be decided in both the matches. Contestants are going to fight today for a short kind of wait, I will first create the room. Toxic Oppo can come here and our friend Dual Plus Ultra can come too. I will, yes, both of them done. Now I will just change to 80 points and 1200. So confirm both of them are ready. We can start the game now. So for you guys to stay tuned up. Till now in the tournament, 4 matches are done. 2 days, 4 matches done. Uh, Apu currently is in the lead with winning two of the 2 matches, and Ultra XZ is also in lead. Ultra XZ is in not lead. He has won one match. He has played one match and won one match. We are currently spectating him. Let's see if we can win against Apu today. The point table right now is Apu is on the lead with uh, 2-0. Is on the lead with 2 wins and 1 lose. Okay, the fight has started off. Parabola effect on. Okay, Apu can't leave his base. Where is Apu going? No, Apu isn't leaving his base. Okay, shit. Yes, Apu just killed Rushabh. Nice. Rushabh can't get carried away. He died once. Okay, Apu on the mark. Okay, is this how it's going to be, Rushabh? Dual plus Ultra. Friend, okay, nice. Has taken successful cover for now. Now let's see if we can really kill Apu or not because Apu is on his mark right now. And nice, Rushabh got a kill. Now he's going to change places probably. Yes, Rushabh's hiding out now. Okay. Okay, he got shot. Nice, Rushabh got 2-0. And now Rushabh is changing place again. So I and Rushabh, we thought of devising a strategy to exactly, fight against Apu and nice 2-3. Rushabh is actually doing it. RC, okay. Yeah, so we thought about this probability that the RC might not work, but okay, RC is moving. Stuck. KRC is going little while. Oh, where is Apu exactly? Want to sense him. Nice. Is Apu dying? Is Apu dying? Shocked. Zapped. KRC can't kill him. But yeah, RC did zap him. Now, yeah, we will go back to Rushabh. Is kind of winning right now. Just to into the match right now. Okay. No, okay. Nice. Well tried. This is kind of an intense match going on right now, guys. Score is 3-all. Rushav yeah, taking a break kind of thing. He's letting think that Tempest powerful or something like that. No, thinking of some strategy. Now let's see if we can do it. Oh, near miss, near miss, near miss. I kind of have high expectations from Duel Plus Ultra because Crossfire is his ground, guys. Even I was defeated today in while training with Duel Plus Ultra. It's kind of a magician of the Crossfire. This really is Clash of Titans. Okay, barely. Shit. We'll just reply them. Okay. No, no, no. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, wait. Check out on. Nice, 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 nice. Rushabh catching up. Rushabh absolutely catching up. Okay, time for a frag. Let's see where the frag goes. Yes, Rushabh has another point. Brilliant game by Rushabh. Just go and check Rushabh now. Okay, okay, okay. On his mark, on his mark. Late के, late के. Oh, near miss, near miss, near miss. Nice. Fighting toe to toe with him right now. He's not rushing in. He's playing his game good. Nice, 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 nice. Nice idea of taking a cover right now because it's really needed. There is a okay penalty of 5 points for Appu because going there is not allowed. 5 point penalty. First 5 point penalty. Yes. So Rushabh is officially in the lead right now. I will just count the penalties and 13 minutes. First penalty on 13 minutes. Rushabh just has to catch up. First penalty on 13 minutes. That is absolutely not allowed. If I say you are supposed to be in your base, then you are supposed to be in your base. No moving out, no moving in. We just made it an exception because Scrapyard was not a sniping ground, but Crossfire certainly is a sniping ground. And if you think we are fools in declaring rules of not moving away from your bases, then I'm not going to tolerate it. He has done it once already. Now let's see as the tournament goes. If he does it again, I will just double the penalty and keep going on. Because as you see in 3 matches, all the players have had calls against Appu. They have had calls against Appu, but each time I made it an exception that no, there might be a technical glitch or something. But now, no, This isn't happening anymore. Second time. 15 points lead to Rishabh. 15 points given to Rishabh. This is completely not fair with Rishabh because he is staying on his ground and not leaving his base while Appu is continuously leaving his base. So whatever tallies up to the final score, extra points will be given to Rishabh for working out with the rules. And Appu, if you watch this video after the match is over, bro, you still have one more match to go. If you do the same in the next match, yes, I am going to be increasing the amount of penalties given to you. And for those who think I am right now cheating or supporting Duel Plus Ultra, I just want you to watch the day one match too. I also considered Dark Inferno and gave him 5 extra points because Rishabh broke the rule. 15 points to Rishabh. Right now he is in the lead. Lead of 11 points. Rishabh is going well. If Appu does it again, more 10 points, and it keeps going on. I am not going to resist anymore. I am right now very angry on Appu. We had a chat on server that going out of the base is strictly not allowed, but this is kind of going out of hand right now. So I am going to take actions now. After the last match too, Appu once killed in the last match, Appu once killed the second guy, King Balor, with pistol. And he told he didn't knew that he had a pistol in his hand, but I considered it that as a okay, chalo theek hai. Then he said ki I thought killing with pistol is allowed, but we just said that you have to keep a pistol as a melee weapon and do not use it. We never said that killing with the pistol is allowed, but since we didn't say that it is not allowed, so we didn't charge a penalty for it. And yes, Rishabh, you can kill him right now. Is zapped. Okay, guys, there was something wrong. Okay, I come here and no, nothing faulty right now. Game is still intact. 15 points of lead, 15 points of penalty to Appu till now. There was some kind of technical glitch with my Wi-Fi, so I just went to check that out. Now it seems it's fine. We can continue. Okay. Nice. Okay. Rishabh is still holding his ground against. Oh, nice. See, I don't have any harsh feelings for him. He's quite a nice player, and I'm happy that he is participating in my tournament. But one thing, I just want to create an impression in front of my viewers is that breaking rules is not what we do over here. This is quite a special tournament for me, and messing up with this tournament continuously after telling him again and again is not allowed. He has done it twice. in this match. Once again, he does it, and then I think I will take more and more strict actions against him. Right now, Appu is playing good against Rushabh, but just because of his breaking rules and stuff like that, he's going to lose this tournament pretty bad. Right now, Rushabh is in lead with 9 points. Going to do it again, breaking rules and stuff. This is allowed. This is completely allowed. But going in that wing is something you don't have to do, because the wall is the limit. Everyone knows if we decide a base, the wall this side and the wall that side, you can roam anywhere you want inside the wall's boundary, but outside the wall, it's considered uh, going out of the base. And I think it's watch Rushabh's game for now. I don't want Rushabh to break any rules because he's kind of winning right now. 8 5 3 7, still 7 point of lead with Rushabh. If he can manage the distance between him and Appu somehow, he can win this out. Okay. Nice. 8 points of lead. 7. 10 points of lead with Rushabh right now. Rushabh is doing his work brilliantly. Okay, Appu saw the RC and is trying to move to the higher grounds. Rushabh can, sense him and now shot him. Nice. Appu gets a valid point over here right now. Okay, he got zapped. Rushabh, he has the opportunity of killing Appu. Shot him. Kill him. Okay, just saved. Nice. Appu catching up to Rushabh. 23 5 8 8 points, 7 points. Okay, if he can somehow just hide. Okay, he got damaged. Severe damage. Okay, nice. Gotcha. Oh, another save. Oh, he killed him. 6 points. Hmm. 5 points. Can't do anything else. 5 point of lead. Okay. Think Appu is pissed right now. Completely pissed right now. Doesn't know where will Rushabh attack from next. Oh, nice shot, Rushabh. 6 points. Somehow Rushabh can restrain himself. 7 points. Yes, 7 points. Back to back 7 points. Two penalties, 15 points. 7 points. 8 points of lead for Rushabh. Right now, Rushabh is kind of having the game. 8 points. Pretty much great. 9 points of lead. Brilliant. Okay, the RC vehicle is launched. Yes, here. Have your eyes on the screen right now in which building is Appu currently. More 10 points, 25 points of penalty for Appu. Rushabh has won this game by fair means. Appu broke the rules thrice in this game, and I will, after this match is over, I will tell him once again not to break the rule. If in the fourth match against Dark Inferno he breaks any kind of rules out of the tournament straight, because this tournament means a lot to me. A great occasion for 25 subscribers for a melee YouTuber like me. I don't know to how to play. I don't know how to play the game, how to win the game, how to defeat Appu, but I do not break rules, and that what make me different from Appu. Okay, so it doesn't know he messed up pretty big. I will just take a screenshot. 25-18 is the score. After adding up 25 points, it is 38, 43, 25. So I think I will go announce the result now. You guys should stay tuned for the second video coming to my channel soon. The second match right now is between King Balor and Dark Inferno. Now I am pretty pissed right now. I will have a chat with them. I will explain them what has happened, and then we will start the second match. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Subscribe to my channel on 40. We start with the AR tournament. Stay tuned for that. Join our Discord server. Link is in the description. Until then, peace.